So we're adding open strings here into the playing as much as we can. So opening line here would go 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that. So there's already a little E chord here with a third and a fifth, and then the line continues. And then there's the whole chord with the root as well. And then we have a little bend from the minor third. We're all the time playing both of the thirds, major and minor here. So the opening line would go, let me play this one more time for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then we continue. 1, 2, 3. So there's a little hammer on for the major third and playing the root. So there's another E chord there. Then we are playing both of the thirds here. Again, little bend there. 1, 2, 3. And then we are heading over to the 4 chord. And how to get there? Here's a really cool line to get you to the 4 chord. So what happens here is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm thinking basically of this shape here. I'm starting from here and sliding into this shape. And then playing the thirds over here, going chromatically and playing this D note, which takes us very nicely to the 4 chord. And also there's the half step below approach. And now we are playing the 4 chord. Let me start from this line, going to the 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, now we are playing over the 4 chord, and we were playing one open string there as well. And there was slide from the minor third to the major. And what happens next is that we are going back to the 1 chord, and I would also like to go back to this position here. And here's a really cool line which takes us back to this position. So we are starting from here, playing the A7 arpeggio here. We are still playing over the 4 chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we are landing on the downbeat there on the major third of the 1 chord. Really cool lick that took us back to the 1 chord. Let me play that for you again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here we are back on the 1 chord. So with the help of these open strings, it's very handy to shift positions without the need to have a break on the phrase. And that is very cool. Okay, so we are back on the 1 chord here. And what happens here is so I'm just playing some stuff in E and adding the open strings here and there. Let me play that for you one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ending up on the 7th there. Let me play that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. That kind of stuff. Then we are heading to the 5 chord. And we're doing it in the same way like Clapton did in the Hideaway. So we are playing the 5th there. Playing that kind of stuff. There's a lot of things going on there. So I'm basically thinking this in minor. So you can play minor stuff over the 5 chord or the major. In this case, I'm playing the minor 3rd here, the D note. And so this would start 1, 2, 3. Like that. So there's a little hammer on and pull off. So I'm hammering on the flat 5. If we are thinking this in the key of B now, since we're playing over the 5 chord. And then there's a pull off to the 4. Then there's a slide, playing some open strings here and playing the minor 3rd here, and then heading to the 4 chord. Let me try to play this stuff over the 5 chord for you one more time. 1, 2, 3. All right, then we are heading over to the 4 chord. And landing there on the major 3rd of the 1 chord. After that we are heading to the 1 chord again. So the line that I was playing over the 4 chord would be 1, 2, 3, 4. Which led us nicely back to the 1 chord. So let me play that one more time and then continue playing over the 1 chord till the end. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 1 chord, then we are playing. So I'm doing quite a bit these hammering on the flat 5. And then ending the line with some open strings there as well. So let me play the first round for you one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is.